discussing, there's a lot of discussion about what the new world order will be, or how, even in the context of our new Helsinki, how do we work towards that new normative international order that allows us to address our differences and disputes as the civilized world. And I believe perhaps we are at the moment in such a hyper-partisan, hyper-polarized time that we're not going to be able to form that new Helsinki today. But I hope going forward we are able to do, we must form and improve our normative and international institutional order internationally so that we can address these complaints. I hope this time round, once we're building this new world order or new rules-based order, the voice of the global south and the developing world is included. Because we must understand that the way that the international order is constructed, whether it's international financial institutions or other international institutions, they were constructed by the West at the times of colonialism, and when the world was a very different place. So to meet the challenges of today, and in order to construct an order that has the buy-in of the international world, we do hope that the global South has their voices heard, has their perspective included. And if we do go down that path, where you have not only